Running out of space on your PS5? Don't delete games, add storage. By adding a Crucial portable SSD, you can nearly double your capacity in just a few easy steps. Here's what to do. Step 1. Unbox your Crucial portable SSD. Step 2. Using the provided USB-C cable, plug your Crucial portable SSD into one of the PS5's available USB ports. Step 3. Format your Crucial portable SSD. Click Settings from your PS5 home screen. Select Storage, and you'll see two options, Console Storage and Extended Storage. Move down to Extended Storage. The PS5 should automatically detect the Crucial portable SSD. Once you select the Crucial portable SSD, the PS5 will inform you that USB drives formatted as extended storage will allow you to transfer games there to free up space on the internal console storage device. You'll see the button Format as Extended Storage. Click it. A warning will tell you that formatting the device will delete all data. This means that any data that was previously stored on your Crucial portable SSD will be deleted during the PS5 formatting process. Make sure you remove or duplicate any files you wish to keep before continuing. This is not an issue if your Crucial portable SSD is brand new. Select Yes. Now click OK. Your Crucial portable SSD is now formatted and ready to use, at home or even on a friend's PS5. Finally, faster game loads and more storage right at your fingertips. A Crucial portable SSD and your PS5 make a perfect pair. You'll wonder why you waited so long.